How to change your password on MEXC. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change your password on MEXC application using your smartphone. First of all, launch open MEXC app on your device and log in. Once you're logged in to the home page of MEXC, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top left corner. Now you'll end up in this section where you need to scroll down and click on Security. Under Security, scroll down and tap on Password. Now, on the next page, go ahead and enter your current or the old password in the first field. Make sure you type in your MEXC account's password correctly and head over to the next field and enter a new password you want to change to. Now, enter the new password once again in the next field and finally click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll then need to go ahead and verify with your email or authentication code. Click on Get Code from the first interface and then you'll receive a verification code from MEXC in your inbox. Copy the code, get back to MEXC app and paste it in the first field. Now on the next field, you need to go ahead and get your verification code from Google Verification or from SMS. Copy the MEXC code and paste it in the text box and finally click Submit. Once you verify with these two options, you'll then be able to change your password for MEXC. After changing the password, you'll be redirected to the home page. You'll need to log in again in your MEXC account. Click on Login and enter your email, and when it asks you for your password, enter the newly updated password. Finally click Login and you'll be able to log in with your newly updated password. So that is how you can easily change your password on MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.